Children, now we will try to use our imagination. I'm sure you will love it. So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am. It sounds interesting.
I will tell you the name of an animal. You have to tell me what these animals may say. Use your imagination. The first animal is lion.
Ma'am, lion will say, I am the king of jungle. I am a wild beast. Everyone fears me. I like to hunt animals.
Good job. Now the next animal is a mouse.
I am a tiny mouse. People love to see my cartoon as Jerry Mouse. I love to eat cheese. I'm scared of cats.
Well done. The next animal is sheep.
Ma'am, I will imitate a sheep. I am a poor sheep. I give wool. I love to eat grass. I am a domestic animal.
That's true. Coming to the next animal. Can anyone guess what it is? It is a monkey.
Ma'am, I love monkeys. I will try to tell what it says. I am a funny creature. I like to swing on trees. I like to eat bananas. I tease children.
Yes, monkey is a funny animal. The next animal is very royal. It is a horse.
Ma'am, it's my turn. I am an adorable horse. I run very fast. People like to watch me running. People riding me.
Well said. Next animal will be dog.
Ma'am, I have one dog at my home. I will try for this. I am Moti. I am kept as a pet. My master takes me for a walk every evening. I love to chew bones.
Good work. Next comes frog.
I can imagine what a frog can say. I am a jumping frog. I live on land as well as in water. I like rainy season.
Well done. And now comes the last animal. It's a bee.
Ma'am, the bee will say, I love buzzing all the day. I collect honey from flowers.
Everyone was wonderful. Do you want to try some more animals or birds?
Ma'am, I will tell what parrots may say. I am a sweet parrot. I like to repeat after others. I love guavas and chilies. Ma'am, I will try for duck. I am a duck. My children are ducklings. I say quack quack.
These two are also good.